Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the role of technology in education. Number 1. Technology makes learning easier. Number 2. It provides access to unlimited knowledge online. Number 3. Students can find information online. Number 4. Technology has changed how students learn. Number 5. Computers and tablets are used in schools. Number 6. Online classes help students learn from home. Number 7. Videos make lessons interesting. Number 8. Teachers use technology to teach better. Number 9. Apps and games make learning fun. Number 10. It prepares students for future jobs. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.